Hey guys, jumping into number 3 here. It's a long one, so I already drew a picture to kind of help see it. We're looking at this carousel. I've got Kieran's carousel track in red, and I've got May's in blue. And the reason why I have it drawn like this is because it says that the inner ring, which Kieran is on, is 9 radius, so that would look like this red circle. So that's Kieran in red. And then in blue, it says that May is on the outer ring, which is 8 feet further away from the center than the inner. So there's an 8-foot difference here between the end of the inner circle and the outer, which makes May's radius 17. Okay, so May has a radius of 17 and Kieran has a radius of 9. And it says in one rotation, how much farther does May travel than Kieran? So travel on a carousel is a circumference. So let's do the first one first, which is Kieran on the inside. Okay, Kieran is going to have a diameter of 18 because the radius is 9. And the circumference can be found by multiplying that by pi. So 18 times pi gives us Kieran's circumference. So Kieran's circumference is 56.52. So if Kieran goes around one time, they travel 56.52 feet. And then let's jump over to May. All right, so May, I'm going to do in blue, going all the way around this outer track, has a much larger diameter. Since the radius is 17, her diameter is 34. And circumference would be 34 times pi to get to circumference. So we got to do 34 multiplied by 3.14, and that will give us the distance that they travel when they go around that larger outer ring, which is 106.76. 106.76. So how much further? We've got to subtract those two numbers, 106.76 minus 56.52, and I already did that for you right here. Okay, that subtraction is 125.48. So that's the answer to part A for this problem. All right, let's jump right into part B. So the carousel goes a complete rotation in 12 seconds. But the people on the outside go faster because they have longer distance to travel. If you want a better ride, get on the outside of the carousel. That's generally how this works. So if May, let's do hers first. If she can travel 106.76 feet per 12 seconds, then her speed will be found by dividing those two numbers. And then likewise, Kieran, who's going around at 56.52 feet per 12 seconds, their speed can be found by dividing those two numbers. So we just got to do some division. I believe we already have May's 106 number in, so we're going to divide it by 12, and that will tell us her speed. So May's going about 8.9 feet per second. So about 8.9 feet per second. And then for our other rider, 56.52. So 56.52 divided by 12. And that's going to be the speed at which Kieran is going, 4.71 or so. So 4.71 feet per second. And it says, how much faster does May travel than Kieran? You have to subtract those. So 8.9 minus 4.71. 8.9 minus 4.71. So they're going about 4.19 feet per second faster. 4.19 feet per second faster. Man, that was a long problem. There you go. There's the answer for part B, though. Part A, part B.